In this video, we will learn how to change the currency in Excel easily. Here I already have some numeric values, and now we'll add currency symbols to them. First, select one cell or multiple cells where you want to apply the currency. I'll select all the values. Now, right-click on the selected cells and choose Format Cells. By default, the category is set to General. From here, change the category to Currency. On the right side, you'll see a symbol drop-down menu. Click on it, and you'll notice a long list of different currency symbols from around the world. You'll even find symbols like Bitcoin here. Let's select the Bitcoin symbol. Below that, you can also control the number of decimal places. Right now it's set to 6, so let's change it to 0. Now click OK, and you can see the Bitcoin currency symbol applied to all selected values. Now, if you want to change the currency symbol, simply select the cells again, right-click, go to Format Cells, and stay in the currency category. This time, let's choose the dollar symbol from the list. You'll notice it automatically shows 2 decimal places. If you want, you can adjust this. Let's change it to 1 decimal place. Click OK, and the dollar symbols will be applied. Now, if you want to remove the currency symbols completely, select the cells again, right-click, and open Format Cells one more time. This time, change the category from currency to number. Here, you can again adjust the decimal places. I'll change it from 1 to 0. You can also turn the thousand separator on or off, depending on your preference. Click OK, and now all currency symbols are removed, leaving only plain numbers. To learn more useful Excel tutorials, watch my other videos.